Because in this case, if we salt our food before we taste it, we might not get to taste it at all. Dry, drought-prone regions of the world produce nearly a third of the global food supply, and many of the crops in these regions are in danger of going thirsty, not only because the soil they grow in contains too little water, but because it contains too much salt. Salt is a natural part of soils everywhere. It forms from minerals weathered out of rock. But in wet climates, most of it gets dissolved by percolating rain and carried down to the groundwater below. In dry climates, on the other hand, percolating rainwater rarely makes it that far. Most of it gets soaked up by the deep roots of native plants, causing its salts to precipitate out and gradually accumulate in the soil below. This salty layer isn't a problem as long as both the plants and the water table stay where they are. But when native vegetation gets swapped out for shallow-rooted crops, more rainwater makes it all the way down to the groundwater, causing the water table to rise. On its way up, it dissolves the salt deposit, bringing salty water to crops' roots.